What's up, y'all? It's your girl Forevermiraj back with another video. Thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, and liking on all of my videos. I enjoy reading your comments. And today, Miss Tabitha Brown is back in the news, guys. She's been hot all week, okay? She's been on a roller coaster ride. So she just released early this morning her Sunshine Seasoning by Tabitha Brown with the McCormick seasoning line. It's sold out in just 39 minutes. So the seasoning is not sold in store yet. To get your hands on this seasoning, you would have had to put your email in on the McCormick website to be alerted for when it actually drops. So I put my email in, but I didn't get any. All y'all bought it up. So Tabitha is very, very overwhelmed by the success of the seasoning being sold out. Unfortunately, because they're sold out, they would have to blend another batch. So we have to wait the second time around for another batch to be made. But for those of you who caught that seasoning, I'm going to need for y'all to make a meal and let me know how it tastes. Invite me over. What's up? Or you can send it to my P.O. box. The information is in the description box below. But yes, she did release a video showing how she makes her burgers with the Sunshine seasoning, and everybody got a taste in her family, and they were so thrilled and excited. Over the years, Tabitha has triumphed to be this big vegan star, gaining over 3.7 million Instagram followers. She has over 500K YouTube subscribers, and I'm pretty sure that Wendy Williams helped her this past week because she did put out some information about Tabitha retiring her husband, and she put out her opinion about that. And to Wendy's surprise, Tabitha's fans and supporters came at her neck. Okay, they were not having it. Now I'm going to play a clip of her parents and Chance mom actually trying the Sunshine season for the first time with some burgers. And you guys let me know how you feel.
All right now, Diane. Woo! Okay, let's see what you got here.
Open wide.
You got it, thank you. What you thinking?
Already best.
I know. What you think, Dad?
Lord have mercy.
Hold on. What you think, Dad?
God Almighty, Lord.
Sunshine did it. Okay. That's it.
It's shining.
Bring on the sunshine. Yep, please. Very good. First bite. Oh, let's see.
Oh,
yeah. Oh,
Oh, yeah. That's it right there.
yeah. Well, look. Want to bring the sunshine? You brought the sunshine. Hey.
That thing bright.
It's bright. Sorry.
Bright right there.
Let me get into it. Let me see. Let me get into it.
I'm good.
Very good. All right. Very good. But you ain't taking another bite and they going to think you lying, Sean. But hope ain't stopping that.
I'm trying to get the people what they want.
Okay, listen.
I didn't want to eat mine without stopping, so I had to stop.
But that's your business, okay? Yeah. All right, I got my mother-in-law here. You know, she don't be eating vegan food, she said. But y'all seen what she did at the restaurant in Greensburg. Go and taste your Sunshine Burger.
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. You ain't really get into it. Okay, I'm going to wait. We're going to wait and see what's happening. We're going to wait and see what's happening, honey.
Is that a pickle?
Yes.
I don't even like pickles, but
Why you bite back into you don't even like the pickle? How that burger taste, girl? Now you ain't licking your fingers. Little sunshine.
girl, you go in the kitchen and do some magic. You know that. You know I don't eat this stuff.
Look, she don't eat it though, y'all. She don't eat it. Come on, sunshine. They got the folk licking their fingers and things, honey. Get it, Zay.
And I don't even eat pickles.
Okay, but it's all right on there, ain't it?
It's real good, Tara.
Very good. Bring a little sunshine. Tell people to go on and order their sunshine today. Tell them.
Go and get that sunshine.
All right, now you guys saw her family digging in that food there, enjoying that Sunshine seasoning. Like I said, I did put my email in on the McCormick website, but unfortunately, I was not home this morning and I did not get an email, an alert on time to be able to get the seasoning. Tabitha, if you watching this, please send me some seasoning to my P.O. box. Now, Tabitha wanted to team up with McCormick and thought it would be a great idea to make a seasoning to go with her vegan dishes to prevent high blood pressure and diabetes in meals. So this seasoning actually does not include salt. The ingredients are garlic, allspice, thyme, cayenne pepper, mango, and pineapple. It can flavor any dish. She makes sunshine burgers, jackfruit, tacos, chili and mushrooms, all those kind of things. Now, I'm not vegan, but I am so interested in tasting the seasoning. So I did look at the pricing for the seasoning online. It was just priced at $14.95 and selling out in 39 minutes. I'm not sure what they had in stock, the amount that they did sell out for, but Wendy Williams. You see how God works? He works in mysterious ways, honey. Now look, Wendy said what she said this week about Miss Tabitha, and I'm pretty sure for those who did not know about Tabitha Brown prior to this, probably got the seasoning. They found out about her for the very first time, loved the way she responded to Wendy, bought her seasoning. And let me tell you, this is going to take Tabitha to a whole new level. She gonna be able to take care of her and her husband. They gonna be fine, okay? Now, this can definitely open up the doors for Tabitha to get Food Network partnership appearances, her own cooking show. She can get a dish set. She can get her food in stores. You never know what possibility this could bring. So I'm really excited to see where Tabitha goes. Hey, if Patty can have her pies in Walmart and Rachel Ray can have her cooking set, in Target, Walmart, and all these other stores, so can Miss Tabitha, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and share this video out and subscribe to my channel, baby. See you guys in the next one. Bye.